So this is my Dell G15 5511 that I bought, about a year and a half ago. And it's been a pretty reliable machine and I've loved it right up until maybe 3 weeks ago. It would not power on no matter what I tried, no matter what directions I followed online, like holding the power button down for 15 or 60 seconds. Nothing seemed to work. I brought it twice to a computer repair shop, and both times they plugged it in and it worked. I guess enough time had elapsed, and they just said there was nothing they could do about it. There was nothing wrong. That happened twice. And I brought it home, and of course, it happened again. It worked during the evening. The next morning, it was dead, couldn't be revived. So I bit the bullet and I took it apart and I disconnected the battery and plugged it in, and it worked fine. It would work indefinitely without the battery. So my non-professional opinion was I needed a new battery. There was something happening with the existing battery where I think it was sending maybe too high a voltage into the system and the system was shutting down. That's my really uneducated guess. But the solution was I ordered a new battery from Dell and I carefully installed it. If you happen to do this, just it's easy to get the old battery out. And one of the surprises was the connector, the ribbon connector. The new battery doesn't come with one. You have to remove it from the old battery and install it on the new battery, both ends, one into the battery, one into the obvious place on the computer to hook it up. And it's a little tricky to do. And my only advice there is be gentle. Don't try to force anything or you're going to bend a pin and it's not going to work. But anyway, if you're having this problem, this could be the solution.